So the second type of the nucleophilic substitution reactions in case of haloalkanes are SN2 type reactions. SN2 means substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reactions. Substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reactions. First of all, just like similar to SN1 type reactions, we will study the kinetics of SN2 type reactions. Okay. 2 means bimolecular. You can learn from this 2 that this is a second order kinetics. It is a second order reactions. ठीक है, that means the rate of reaction जो है it depends upon the concentration of two reactants. In this case, both the reactants, alkyl halide and nucleophile, the concentration of alkyl halide and nucleophile, that determines the rate of reaction. ठीक है, so that's why this is called second order reactions. For example, let's take an example of methyl bromide. Methyl bromide acts as a alkyl halide molecule and OH group जो है that is a nucleophile. ठीक है, in this case this bromide ion is replaced with this OH group and alcohol is formed, bromine ion is replaced. For this reaction, from experiments it has been found that the rate of reaction जो है that is equals to K into concentration of methyl bromide, concentration of OH negative. That means the rate of reaction, it depends upon the concentration of both nucleophiles. So since two molecules जो है, two reactants, they are involved in the rate expression, so that's why this type of reactions are second order reactions, or you can say they are bimolecular. Two molecules are involved, so these are known as bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so this is kinetics of SN2 type reactions. Next, come to the mechanism. In the mechanism of SN2 type reactions, since we have studied that in SN1 type reactions carbocations as an intermediates they are formed, but in SN2 type reactions there is no intermediate is formed. There is no intermediate formation, but there is a formation of transition state. Transition state is formed in this SN2 type reactions, and this जिस तरह SN1 type reactions का जो mechanism था that involves two steps, that is a two-step mechanism, but SN2 type reactions जो है they are single step reactions, or you can say they are concerted reactions. Concerted reactions are also single step reactions. So let's take an example of ethyl bromide. I have taken here an example of ethyl bromide, CH3 CH2 Br, CH3 Br, two hydrogens are here. Okay, I have shown the stereochemistry here. This dotted line shows that this hydrogen atom is below the plane, and this solid line shows that this hydrogen is above the plane, and this simple lines shows that these two molecules जो है methyl and bromide ions, they are present in the plane. They are present in the plane. This is below the plane, this is above the plane. ठीक है, and now nucleophile जो है it attacks on this carbon atom, and from arrows you can see that this bromide ion जो है it is जो two electrons है, two electrons of this carbon and bromine bond, they are shifted towards the bromine. ठीक है, the attack is such that OH negative, or you can say nucleophile जो है in the SN2 type reactions, nucleophile attacks on the carbon atom, that is there is a backside attack. जिस साइड हमारे पास लिविंग ग्रुप होएगा, ब्रोमाइड आयन होएगा, हेलोजन इज प्रेजेंट, उसके बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट साइड बैक साइड से अटैक होएगा न्यूक्लियोफाइल का. ठीक है, सो न्यूक्लियोफाइल विल ऑलवेज अटैक फ्रॉम द बैक साइड ऑफ द लिविंग ग्रुप. ठीक है, एकदम 90 डिग्री से अटैक हो रहा. तो OH नेगेटिव ने कार्बन पर अटैक किया, देयर इज ए फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पार्शियल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन. आई हैव शोन हियर डॉटेड लाइन. डॉटेड मीन्स OH molecule, it forms partial bond formation with the carbon and bromine में जो bond है that will partially breaks. There is not a complete bond formation, not complete bond breakage. There is a partial bond formation, partial bond breakage, and this type of the structure जो है that is known as the transition state of the molecule. ठीक है, and the formation of this transition state जो है that is a slow step reaction. That is a slow step reaction. ठीक है, and because this is a slow step reaction, in this reaction both nucleophile and alkyl halides they are involved. So the rate of reaction जो है it depends upon both these reactants. ठीक है, and then after the formation of transition state, the final product is formed. Final product formation is this, there is a complete bond breakage. This carbon and bromine bond जो है that completely breaks, and this OH and carbon bond is completely formed in this case. ठीक है, and bromide ion जो है that is removed as a leaving group. ठीक है, so this is the mechanism of SN2 type reactions. ठीक है, so in this mechanism overall OH negative there is a backside attack of the nucleophile on the carbon atom, and there is a formation of transition state. After the transition state, leaving group is removed and the product is formed. ठीक है, so this reaction जो है it depends upon the leaving group ability. It depends upon the leaving group ability. Bromide ion जो है it acts as a leaving group here. ठीक है, ब्रोमाइड आयन दैट मीन्स वी आर यूजिंग दी हेलो अल्केन्स. हेलो अल्केन्स में हेलोजन इज क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन, फ्लोरीन. दीज आर दी 4 हेलोजन्स वी आर यूजिंग हेयर. ठीक है, सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन दिस ग्रुप. अगर एक ग्रुप जो है इट दिस इज ए गुड लीविंग ग्रुप, इफ दिस इज ए गुड लीविंग ग्रुप, दिस ब्रोमाइड आयन और यू कैन से दिस हेलोजन जो है इफ दिस इज ए गुड लीविंग ग्रुप, इट कैन easily leaves the molecule. It can easily breaks its bond with the carbon atom and leaves the molecule by giving the desired product. ठीक है, so it depend this all this reaction जो है it depends upon the reactivity of this reaction depends upon the leaving group ability of the halogen atom. ठीक है, better the leaving group, higher the reactivity, poor the leaving group ability, slower the reactivity. ठीक है, and the leaving group जो ability है that is iodide ion जो है that is a better leaving group compared to bromide ion, as compared to chloride, as compared to fluoride. ठीक है, that means RI iodide के alkyl halides जो है they have the higher reactivity as compared to bromide, chloride and fluoride. So the same trend, the trend of leaving group ability, the same trend is obtained in case of reactivity order of alkyl halides in terms of the halogen atom, only in terms of halogen atoms. ठीक है, but when we are considering about the reactivity of haloalkanes in terms of primary, secondary and tertiary, then methyl halide has the higher reactivity compared to primary, secondary and tertiary halides. ठीक है, देखो SN1 टाइप दियां जो रिएक्शंस ਆਪਾਂ ਪੜੀਆਂ ਸੀ, in the SN1 type reactions this order is reversed. Tertiary has the higher reactivity compared to secondary, primary and methyl halide in the SN1 type reactions, but in SN2 type reactions methyl halide is more reactive as compared to primary, as compared to secondary, as compared to tertiary alkyl halides. ठीक है, the reason is here, the reason है that depends upon this attack, जो backside attack है nucleophile दा on this molecule that defines the reactivity of this alkyl halide. ठीक है, the reason how this is you can explain. Let's take a structures of methyl halide. मिथाइल halide में क्या आएगा, वी आर टेकिंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड. कार्बन के साथ ब्रोमीन इज अटैच्ड, 3 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स. प्राइमरी halide में क्या है, इन दी प्राइमरी halide 1 मिथाइल ग्रुप इज अटैच्ड. सेकेंडरी में देयर आर 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप्स. टर्शरी देयर आर 3 मिथाइल ग्रुप्स. ठीक है, आई हैव टेकन द एग्जांपल हियर ऑफ प्राइमरी halide. You can see compare both these. I have taken the example of primary halide. When there is a backside attack of the nucleophile, what happens? In the primary alkyl halide, since there are two H groups the size small है as compared to methyl group, so OH negative को जो restrictions है, steric hindrance जो है, OH negative जो है, it feels the less steric hindrance as compared to when there is a tertiary halide group. जब tertiary halide group आएगा तब इस केस में there is CH3 molecule, there is also CH3 molecule. 3 CH3 groups are here. ठीक है, 3 methyl groups. So that means nucleophile जो है it feels more steric hindrance. Bulky groups जो है they are attached here. Just take an example of methyl groups. Bulky groups are attached here. So OH negative जो है it becomes difficult to attack at this carbon atom because of the steric hindrance produced by these bulky groups. That's why the reactivity of tertiary alkyl halide जो है that is less as compared to methyl halide in which there is no bulky group is present. ठीक है, and in the primary halide group only one bulky group. In the tertiary there are two bulky groups. In the secondary there are two bulky groups, but in the tertiary alkyl halide there are three bulky groups are present. So that's why the reactivity of methyl halide is greater compared to primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides in the SN2 type reactions. ठीक है, so this is the reactivity order of alkyl halides in terms of the type of the alkyl halide. Okay, so that's all about the SN2 type nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkane.